Welcome to month 2. Congratulations, new parents. You've navigated the intense first month of your baby's life and emerged, perhaps a little sleep-deprived but triumphant, into month 2. This month brings exciting changes as your baby grows and develops their personality. Remember, every baby is unique and will develop at their own pace. Trust your instincts, embrace the cuddles, and enjoy the journey. This month, your baby will likely become more interactive. Their cries may become more distinct, and their tiny fists might even unclench to bat at a toy. You'll notice them becoming more alert and responsive to your voices and smiles. While every day brings new joys, it can also bring new challenges. Feeding, sleep schedules, and deciphering your baby's cues can feel like a constant learning curve. Rest assured, you're not alone. Millions of parents have walked this path before you, and we're here to offer some tried and tested tips to help you navigate this wonderful, sometimes overwhelming second month. Embrace the changes, cherish the quiet moments, and remember, you're doing a fantastic job. At around 8 weeks old, your baby is hitting some exciting developmental milestones. Their neck muscles are getting stronger, allowing them to hold their head up for short periods when placed on their tummy. This newfound head control is crucial for their overall development and paves the way for rolling over in the coming months. You'll also notice their vision improving. They can now track moving objects with their eyes and may even start to recognize familiar faces, especially yours. One of the most heartwarming developments this month is the emergence of your baby's first real smiles. These aren't just reflexive smiles anymore. These are genuine expressions of joy and connection. Pay attention to their cues and try to establish a loose routine, which can help regulate their sleep in the long run. Feeding your baby is a fundamental aspect of their care and provides them with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, the most important thing is to respond to your baby's hunger cues. At this age, they'll typically feed every 2 to 3 hours, but don't be afraid to offer extra feeds if they seem hungry. If you're breastfeeding, you might be getting the hang of latch and positioning. Remember, it's a learning curve, and seeking support from a lactation consultant can be incredibly helpful if you're facing any challenges. For formula feeding parents, there are various formulas available, each tailored to different needs. Consult with your pediatrician to determine the best formula for your baby. Prepare the formula as directed on the packaging and always use a sterilized bottle and nipple. Regardless of your feeding method, burp your baby frequently during and after feedings to prevent gas and spit up. If your baby spits up frequently or seems uncomfortable after feedings, talk to your pediatrician. Feeding is not just about providing nutrition, it's also a time for bonding and connection. As Section 4, Sleep, the elusive treasure. Sleep, or the lack thereof, is a hot topic for parents of newborns. While your 2-month-old still needs around 14 to 17 hours of sleep per day, it's unlikely to come in long stretches. Newborns have shorter sleep cycles than adults, which means they wake up more frequently throughout the day and night. While you can't force your baby to sleep through the night, wouldn't that be a dream? There are things you can do to encourage healthy sleep habits. Start by establishing a consistent bedtime routine. This could include a warm bath, a massage, putting on pajamas, reading a book, singing a lullaby, or any other calming activity that signals to your baby that it's time to wind down. Creating a conducive sleep environment can also make a difference. Make sure their room is dark, quiet, and cool. A white noise machine or fan can help block out distracting sounds. Swaddling can also be helpful for some babies, as it recreates the snug feeling of the womb and prevents them from startling themselves awake with their own movements. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to sleep. Section 5. When to seek help. While most babies thrive during this time, it's important to be aware of any signs that might require medical attention. If you notice any of the following, don't hesitate to contact your pediatrician. Fever, persistent vomiting or diarrhea, refusal to feed, difficulty breathing, lethargy, or unusual skin rashes. Trust your instincts. You know your baby best, and if something doesn't feel right, seek professional medical advice. Section 6. You're doing great. Navigating the world of newborn care can feel overwhelming at times, but remember, you're doing great. Every smile, every cuddle, every diaper change is a testament to your love and dedication. Embrace the journey, cherish the milestones, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. You've got this.